Hello everyone, welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show. Today I'll be giving you a curry fish recipe with, yes, of course, fish that I caught freshly from the ocean, and a list of my ingredients: my garlic, my thyme, my hot pepper, my onion, my scallion, a little lime juice, and tomato, and my olive oil. Now let's get this show on the road. Thank you guys for all your support. So in the meantime, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some oil to the pot to get it hot while I prepare my fish. Now here you see I have my all-purpose flour that I'm going to be dipping the fish in, and my paper towel and my spatula. Now guys, of course you know I always season my meat roughly a day or more. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take it, make sure you don't have on any of these on it, and just put it in the butter. Get some all up inside. Shake off the excess flour. I'm just gonna set this aside because the oil is not hot as yet, and just continue the process. Like spice, they can add a bit more spice to the seasoning or to the pot. So guys, when next you see me, I'll be putting these in the frying pan. So guys, welcome back. So now that the pot is just about at the right temperature, we're gonna add the fish. You know, make sure to get rid of the excess flour. Now this is where my spatula comes in, because you want to make sure that the fish isn't going to stick to the pot. And that's where the flour also plays a vital role in not sticking. See? Now 3 could have hold, so I actually added the 3rd piece. As I say, you want to make sure that it's not sticking. See that nice curry look from the seasoning? Beautiful golden flavor from the curry, the look. Now we just want to give this about a minute more, and then I'll take them out and let them soak off on my paper towel and get the other process started when next. Okay guys, I'm back. So what I'm gonna do now is just remove these. Make sure you drain off most of the excess oil and add it to my paper towel. Make sure to be safe, don't make any oil splash on you. because this is the last piece that I put in, I'm just going to give it a little bit more time. So as I said, now when next you see me, I'll be preparing the finals. Okay guys, so here I am now for another process. I had 2 tablespoons of the olive oil to the pot, and now I'm going to add the vegetable. Now I'm going to use a little of the garlic and the onion to just build up a flavor. And just stir for a little while. Sorry about the noise from the spoon. Now you're seeing that the onion and the garlic is nice and soft. So you got it to that texture that you wanted. So now we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. So now I'm gonna add my curry powder to the mix, about 2 teaspoons, and stir that in. It's on low heat. So now I'm gonna add water from the gravy, from the seasoning. My scallion, my tomato. Look at those colors, wow, beautiful. My thyme. Guys, make sure all your vegetables are washed. The rest of my onion. Look at those colors, beautiful colors. Now you just want to get this all cooked up, just in time to add the fish. I think I'm gonna add a little more water to the dish, to the pot, I should say. Look at those colors. Now that it's nice and bubbling, you want to go ahead and add your fish. Nice curry fish recipe. I actually have another piece to put in. I should have used a bigger pot, but nevertheless, now you want to get some of this flavor all on top of this fish. Need another spoon. Sorry about the noise. And you want to get that all incorporated in the sauce. Now when next you see me, guys, I'll be serving this beautiful dish with some pumpkin rice. Look at that. You guys should smell this aroma, the beautiful smell of the herbs. Now I'm just going to give this about a minute or 2, and then I'll share. As I said, I'll be sharing this with some pumpkin rice. Okay guys, here you go. My curry fish recipe, shared with some pumpkin rice and a little callaloo. Look at that. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Hit that bell notification button. Thank you for